gonna make a small video. Vamos a hacer un video cortito. Like a couple weeks ago, I was trying to grow some lettuce, and I added a bunch of seeds here. Añadí un montón de semillas de lechuga aquí, and as you see, it's like almost all of them germinated. Germinaron casi todas. So now I have a mess, and I don't know how to work with this. So I'm gonna try to separate them to make it easier for the transplant in the future. Germinaron casi todas las semillas de lechuga, así que voy a tratar de separarlas para que el trasplante futuro sea más fácil. I'm gonna use our gardening tools, indoor gardening tools. Las herramientas de jardinería. So I don't want to make a mess here. No quiero que quede la mansa zorra acá. Because this has holes. This is a tray that I have for my compost. La bandeja para mi compostaje. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to put it back or something. Yeah, we're just gonna separate this first. Separar esto primero. Yeah. Like if they die, I don't want all of them to die. ¿Cachai? Si mueren, no quiero que mueran todos, pero how am I gonna do this? Okay, whatever. Let's just... Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's say probably around here. I mean, I'm gonna have to get them all. Voy a tener que sacarlas todas igual. Okay, that's a good portion. Don't know what I was thinking. We're gonna work with first. Vamos a trabajar con eso primero. So maybe here I can just okay. There. I mean, yeah, I guess I'll just have to leave it like this and then thin it. Voy a tener que trabajarlo así, ¿no? Y después ¿cómo se llama? Thin it? Podarla. No podarla, cortar las que no quiero, en el fondo. ¿Cómo se llaman? Ralearlas, eso. Más para árboles, pero bueno. Yeah, I don't even know what to do here. They're like... Yeah. And I'm gonna put some in water. Voy a poner un poco en agua. Aquí, en este jarro, nomás con agua. For those, I don't really care if there's some dirt on it. No me importa que tengan un poco de tierra. Just gonna do it like that, I guess. Yeah, because there's too many. That's the problem. You know, son muchas. If you grow plants, you probably have this feeling that you don't want to waste anything. Si a ti te gusta crecer plantas y cosas así, quizás tienes este mismo sentimiento de que no te gusta desperdiciar plantas o que se mueran, ¿no? I have that feeling and I try to save them all, and I know it's not supposed to be like that, but this like that, I don't know if it's gonna grow, so maybe I just have to separate them to do it properly. I mean, yeah, you know what, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna wash this. I'm gonna get a little piece of rock wool, un pedacito de lana de piedra or roca, I can't remember the name. And then I just need to find the roots of these plants here. One here. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna put those over there. It's like 5 or whatever. I just want at least one of them to survive. Quiero que por lo menos sobreviva una. Okay, something like that. So this is gonna be like this. So water. We'll see what happens. A ver qué pasa con esto. I don't have a lot of hope for that, but anyway. Now we have this soil. We're gonna moist this soil. Vamos a humedecer este suelo. So here, I'm just gonna try to split this again, like 2 more times maybe. And maybe I'm gonna kill them all. Doing that, but it's already a mess, so yeah, whatever. We'll see. So I'm just gonna do that. There's not much more I can do right now. Like this. With this one. Ooh, this. You know, all of this, I'm just gonna rid of a small container with water. Like this. Yeah, I'm not gonna do anything else than this. No hice nada más que esto. And let's see what happens. You know, like the strongest should survive. Okay, this one looks like shit. So this one's good. And now this. Well, I have other seeds here. Aquí tengo otras semillas, ¿cierto? Parece que es arugula o rúcula o algo así. I think it's arugula, I can't remember. So now that I have less of these plants, but the problem is that there's still too many. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna move it like that. Yeah, and let's see what happens. You wanna work with this? Let's see what happens. It's too hard to just split them one by one. Es muy difícil de separarla de uno, así que yeah, I'm just gonna do that. And that's it. That's the end of this video. I'll show it later. Hopefully, like a couple days, I can see how they're doing. Un par de días. Chao, nos vemos. Gracias. Thank you.